Feeling overwhelmed by the ever-evolving market? SpireTec Solutions is here to support your growth with flexible, high-quality learning experiences tailored to your needs, including live online classes, self-paced learning, destination training, classroom sessions, and personalized one-on-one mentoring. Our commitment to continuous improvement, driven by a rapid iteration approach, ensures that you receive cutting-edge education from industry-leading professionals. Enhance your skill set with certifications from globally recognized vendors such as Microsoft, AWS, CISCO, PMP, PECB, ISC2, CompTIA, EC Council, and more. Our client-centric approach, combined with the expertise of top-tier mentors, distinguishes us as a leader in professional development. With a comprehensive suite of certifications in areas like cloud computing, cloud security, machine learning, generative AI, Six Sigma, quality management, project management, information security management, and beyond. SpireTec Solutions is your partner in achieving excellence and advancing your career. Unlock your potential with us today.